Hello everyone and welcome back to hakBits. Today, I'm going to show you the power of Nmap, one of the most popular tools for network scanning and vulnerability assessment. This video will teach you how to effectively scan a network and uncover open ports, vulnerabilities, and more. Disclaimer: always remember, only scan networks or machines that you have explicit permission to test. Unauthorized scanning or attacks are illegal and unethical. Before starting a scan, verify that your target is reachable. Use the ping command. If you get a response, the machine is online and ready to scan. If the network can have up to 254 hosts, we first identify which ones are active. Type nmap lowercase s capital P and host. This command checks for live hosts in the subnet. For example, I found 21 active hosts in this range. Next, let's identify the open ports on a specific host. Type sudo nmap, lowercase s capital T, and what ports you need to scan and hit enter. This command performs a TCP connect scan and lists all the open and closed ports. If you want to scan all ports on a host, type nmap lowercase s capital T and the IP address and hit enter. This way, no port is left unscanned. If the target has an intrusion detection system, a stealth scan might avoid detection. Type sudo nmap lowercase s capital S ports host and hit enter. This SYN scan sends fewer packets, making it harder to detect. To identify the operating system, type nmap capital O and host. If this doesn't work, switch to aggressive mode, which combines OS detection, version detection, script scanning, and traceroute. Though it's slower, this method is often more effective. For instance, it took 92.22 seconds to complete a detailed scan on my host, but it provided the OS information. Finally, let's detect vulnerabilities using Nmap's built-in vulnerability scripts. Type sudo nmap script vuln and host. This command runs various checks for common vulnerabilities and exposures. If the scan doesn't find vulnerabilities, the target might have a firewall or an intrusion detection prevention system that blocks or limits the scan. That's how you can use Nmap for network scanning, OS detection, and vulnerability assessment. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on cybersecurity and hacking tools. Stay safe, stay ethical, and as always, keep learning. See you in the next video.